This week we make a 1930s cocktail perfect for fall weather sipping. Stick around.
Dave, did you get that recipe for Thanksgiving dinner?
Yeah, I'm on it.
And this is
Good, Gordon
the
Ramsay.
start of the most important part. What I want to do is add a little bit more flavour. And just a little teaspoon. This adds a lovely subtle apple flavour. Give that a good mix. Into the tray. In she goes. That looks like $1 million. Let that rest. The wonderful golden colour and adds a lovely earthy taste. You can do all this the night before and keep it in the fridge. So impressive, so
Dave,
easy and
do you got it?
This is a dish
Looks like a
guaranteed
meal to me.
fantastic reaction
Got it.
for any occasion.
Fall season is now in full swing, and whether you're prepping for Thanksgiving here in America or recently celebrated Thanksgiving up north, either way, we've got a great boozy counterpart to that big harvest meal, the Mule's hind leg. This recipe is a modern rebalance of an ultra-classic cocktail from one of history's oldest cocktail books, the Savoy Cocktail book from Harry Craddock. The name loosely connects it to the Mule family of drinks that sometimes has maple syrup in the recipe, but in this case, also because of the spirit-heavy nature of the cocktail, which gives it a real kick. This recipe sets out to combine all the fall flavors: Calvados to bring that apple, Benedictine to bring the herbs, Apricot Liqueur, maple syrup, and gin to tie it all together. It's basically a Thanksgiving meal all on its own, but without the stomachache, but with a hangover. All right, let's start cooking. With 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, we're gonna use Signature Reserve bourbon barrel-aged maple syrup in this case. Bourbony. A ½ ounce of apricot liqueur, we're gonna use Rothman and Winter. 2/3 ounce of D.O.M Benedictine, it's gonna give us those herbs. Let's bring those apple flavors with 2/3 ounce of Calvados. And finally, 2/3 ounce of gin. Since this is a classic cocktail, we're using the ultra classic Ford's gin. This is a stirred cocktail, so let's add a healthy amount of ice to chill, dilute, and integrate. We're gonna stir until it feels chilled. Also just looks cool. Oh yes, that is excellent. All right, this is served in either a chilled martini glass or a sour glass. And now, strain it in. Nice fall color, nice. All right, we're gonna garnish this with a apricot slice on the side. And there it is, the Mule's hind leg. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, this is really excellent. All those fall flavors really gel together in a magnificent way. You get the herbs and spices coming from the D.O.M Benedictine, you got the fruit flavors from the apricot and the Calvados, and the gin really just kind of kicks up the octane factor and helps elevate those herbs as well. It's a really good counterpart to a great Thanksgiving dinner. If you have any personal favorite fall cocktails, let us know what you're drinking this Thanksgiving in the comments below. And hey, give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future cocktail recipes and tiki adventures. Until then, happy Thanksgiving.
Train's coming in.
Yeah. Ding, ding. Ginny Weasley. Ginny Weasley versus Qui-Gon Jinn.